Hey locals, how's it going? We've come here today. I've actually taken my missus out for a quick bite to eat back to the Bunyip Railway Hotel. Now, let's just see how we go. I've ordered the Big Mac Parma. First thoughts are amazing. The pepper gravy that I've ordered. Holy moly, look at this. It just doesn't fall off. Delicious. Amazing. The parma's crispy, it's crunchy, it's absolutely melting in my mouth. I haven't given anyone a taste yet. Vanessa's gonna try it too. Let's see. What have you ordered? You've got the Mexican parma, you've got a bit of avo, jalapeno, sour cream. Ooh, yum, yum, yum. Anyway, we'll get into it and let you know how we feel. So a bit of a pussy effort, couldn't finish it all. Got close. But I came back to try it out. God, I was impressed. Legitimately 8.5 for black.